further ado, we begin this evening with Lot 301, the 1968 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Lot 301 is the Land Cruiser FJ40. Can you imagine anything more appropriate for enjoying here in California, off-road or on the beach? This car was totally body off restored and has the ultra-rare factory powered takeoff winch, an accessory overdrive transmission, excuse me, and even four-wheel power disc brakes. The restoration was very, very well documented. The 1968 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40.
Thank you very much, Alan. I'm going to open the bidding here. What should we say, ladies and gentlemen? First lot of the evening, I'm going to open the $25,000 to start me. Absolutely. $25,000 already. Do I have $30,000 now? $25,000 opening bid now. $25,000, $30,000. Thank you. $30,000 I have. 35 now. 35 now if you like. 35,000 in the front row. At $35,000. Do I have $40,000 anywhere in the room? At $35,000. 40,000. Thank you. Ladies bid at $40,000. Do I have 45? 42,500. 45,000 if you like, man. $45,000 I am bid. 47,500. 47,500, 50,000 now, 50,000, still in with me at 50,000. Thank you very much. At $50,000 now, do I have any advance? At $50,000, selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. At $50,000 now. Are we all done? Well, I'm selling the car, ladies and gentlemen. Make 55, I've taken in the back there. 60 if you like. 60 if you 60,000, thank you. Back in with me on my left at 60,000, 65 in the back now. I've got 60 on my left. At $60,000, do I have any advance? At $60,000 in advance? Well, at $60,000, I'm selling on my left. Make absolutely no mistake, it's going for the first time. At $60,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third chance. Last time at $60,000. Would you like to try me again? 65 in the back. It was almost yours. Are you out? How about $70,000? Are you sure? He won't let you. That is so mean. This could be cause of divorce if you're not careful. You won't let your wife treat herself to a new car? My goodness. Are you sure? Just, you know what? Don't listen to him. You just go ahead and bid me. We'll sort it out later. You're very, very, very good to him. He's a lucky man. At 65, not spending his money. At $65,000, and I'm selling to the back, and it's going for the first time. At $65,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time. At $65,000, are you sure? I don't want to cause a family argument. A little one if you like. I can't do once, but I can do 2.5 for you just because it's you. You want to do 67,500? 67,500. They're going to start arguing in a minute. 67,500, 70,000. 70,000 now. I've got 67,500. They're back in with me on my left at 67,500. Well, it's going. It's going for the first time. It's going for the second, third, and last time at $67,500. Sold your car. Well done. Congratulations. 142. We'll send your husband the bill. 67,500.